For a walk? Where's your mom? Go get your mom. Go get her. Where's mom? Go get her. Well, there you have it, people. The Rabbit Lake Ice Road is officially open. There's one from the Snow Machine Trail all the way to the far west end, and then one from the Snow Machine Trail almost to the beach. It's on the north side of the lake. It's safe. It's got over 10 inches of ice. Side-by-sides are plowing it. People are already walking their dogs. That's my inspiration for doing the road, is a safe place to walk your dog and don't have to walk them on a leash. Let them have all the fun they want. Not going to hurt nothing or nobody, and nobody gets hurt. Please use the ice road. Take your babies out in sleighs, skates. You know, take them for walks. That's what it's there for. Can't wait to start using it. It's in for the holidays. Get out there and enjoy this beautiful weather. And I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll talk to you guys real soon.